In this video tutorial in Schoology, what I'm going to show you is how you grade students when you have applied a rubric to an assignment. In my previous video, we went over how to create a rubric for your Schoology course and for specific assignments. So now that that has been done and I have a student who has submitted an assignment, we're going to take a look at how we will grade that. So before I do that, I'm just going to go over to this assignment where I applied a rubric, and I'm going to click Edit just to show you where I added this. So you can see here, this is all the content for the students to read, but instead of the default numeric, I have chosen a rubric that I created. And I also have chosen to show it to students so that they can see what is expected of them. So now I'm going to click on this assignment because I do have one submission. So I'm going to now grade this submission. So I'm going to click on the submission. And you will see here in the upper right hand side that my rubric icon is here, and when I click on it, it will show me the rubric that I applied to this assignment. All I need to do here now is rate it. So if I go click excellent, 3, 4, you grade it, and then all you need to do is save it. But if you have other students who have submitted, there's an easy way to get to other students. So let me just click save. And now I can move on to another student, and the grade is applied here. So if you have any questions or you need to refer back to my previous video, I'm going to put that in the description below so you can see how you can create rubrics within Schoology.